Witness the Insect Time Travel Convention by Insectopia AI. Step into a surreal symposium where insects from diverse epochs gather to share historical tales. Ancient beetles mingle with futuristic ants, creating a captivating tapestry of time. Join us on this extraordinary journey as we unravel the mysteries of insect history through their eyes.
A convention hall filled with insects from various epochs, mingling beneath banners that read Insect Time Travel Symposium. An ancient beetle, adorned with elaborate accessories, engaged in a conversation with a futuristic ant and a sleek exosuit. A group of prehistoric dragonflies and modern honeybees, sharing stories of their contrasting worlds. A butterfly from the distant past demonstrating its vibrant wings to a crowd of awestruck modern insects from the Jurassic era, listening attentively to a future grasshopper, all gathered around a holographic display. A mechanical praying mantis from the future, engaging in a friendly arm wrestling match with a powerful ancient scarab. A group of Victorian-era moths, mingling with bioluminescent fireflies from the spacefaring era. A time-traveling bumblebee explaining the concept of pollination to an intrigued group of insects from the distant past. A futuristic ladybug showcasing its adaptive camouflage abilities to a group of medieval weevils. A caveman cricket exchanging tools and techniques with a high-tech robotic cricket from the year 3000. Insects from various periods, testing out each other's time travel devices, resulting in whimsical combinations. A futuristic beetle in a levitating hover suit, sharing its experiences with a crowd of curious historical beetles. An ancient spider weaving a traditional web, while a modern spider demonstrates its advanced silk spinning technology. An astronaut ant from the space age sharing zero-gravity tales with a crowd of fascinated insects. An ancestral butterfly sharing its wisdom with a group of high-tech winged insects from the distant future. A medieval ant knight in armor engaged in a friendly joust with a time-traveling ant scientist. A group of insects from the distant past, experimenting with futuristic gadgets under the guidance of time-traveling mentors. An ancient ant queen receiving advice from a wise, futuristic termite leader on advanced colony management. Insects from different eras marveling at holographic displays of historical moments and future advancements. A Renaissance-era beetle sharing its artistic endeavors with modern insects who showcase their holographic art. A futuristic spider demonstrating its web connectivity technology to a curious group of historical arachnids. A wise old cricket from the past imparting philosophical insights to a group of time-traveling grasshoppers. A group of insects gathered around a futuristic time portal device, discussing its potential implications. An ancient bee and a futuristic drone bee, engaged in a friendly nectar-collecting competition. A mechanical butterfly from the future, collaborating on a dance routine with a traditional tribal butterfly. A futuristic mantis demonstrating its precise hunting techniques to a crowd of ancient mantises. Insects from different epochs attending educational seminars on the evolution of insect behavior and adaptations. A group of insect historians poring over scrolls and holographic texts to learn about different eras. A prehistoric cockroach exchanging survival strategies with modern cockroaches sharing tales of resilience. An ancient caterpillar showcasing its metamorphosis process to a futuristic caterpillar in its high-tech cocoon. Insects from different periods, engaged in a spirited debate on the pros and cons of their respective eras. A time-traveling butterfly offering a ride on its wings to a curious beetle from a bygone era. A futuristic swarm of nanobots working alongside a team of historical bees in a collaborative honey-making endeavor. A group of futuristic insects sharing their data-driven insights on climate change with insects from the past. An ancient firefly demonstrating its natural light display to a group of modern fireflies with synchronized LED patterns. Insects from different eras, feasting on a banquet of historically inspired and futuristic insect cuisine. a caveman ant exchanging stories with a sophisticated cybernetic ant about how they've adapted to changing environments. A group of steampunk-inspired insects discussing alternative ways to harness energy, combining old and new ideas. A futuristic beetle showcasing its advanced leaf cutting techniques to a group of curious prehistoric ants. Insects from different periods engaged in a friendly game of time travel bingo, sharing anecdotes from their journeys.
Follow Insectopia AI to experience this unique insect chronicle where time transcends and stories come to life.